Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day today here in Arkansas, and I will tell you that I'm finally, oh, this Barbara, this is Mema, visit Mema channel, and I wish you would subscribe and like and share. Hummingbirds are acting up this morning. I bet you can hear them in the background. Anyway, I'm still working on my garden afghans. I really don't have any steps to add other than I've added colors, different colors, as I go along. But I do like the way this red and green are striking colors on here. Did you see? Can you pick them out? If you can see or not. Anyway, I'm continuing my now, making some little, shoot, I can't remember the name of them. You know what they are. You crocheters know. And the ones that don't, will look it up. But those are four crochets they're pulled together into a little pom-pom. I did every other stitch. And anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm sitting out on the patio. Today's Wednesday. Today is the day I go see the sleep doctor. And I'm going to go see the sleep doctor because of my Cpac. I'm not getting anywhere and getting it replaced. So they said, well, I'll just start all over and go to a sleep doctor, get tested. Oh, here are my sunglasses. Okay. And get tested, reevaluated. So maybe then I can get a new Cpac machine because they have been recalled. And across the world. I didn't realize that they weren't just in America. No, I didn't. But they're everywhere. And everyone's having the same problem worldwide. We're such a small world now that we are so much closer together in communications that it's almost like when I get a comment, like from a young man. I got a comment from where was he from? Netherlands? Yes, I think so. And I was so surprised and delighted. I really couldn't answer him back because I don't know quite how to do it. I tried, but anyway, I didn't know how. But I was surprised that people all over the world have the same problems we have, or we have the same problems they have. Sometimes that's the way the world is. Well, it's not. Sometimes it is the way the world is. My sister called all upset because of all the things going on in Afghanistan, and I'm saying, it's always been this way. It's unfortunate and sad, that could be going on. But it is. I don't know what to do about it, but our young men are, traveling on to foreign lands and trying their best to do what we think is good, helping people out, our neighbors around the world. And if they ask us to help, of course we want to help, just like our neighbors next door. I mean, they're next door too, they're just a little further away. Just a little bit further away. But anyway, I thought I'd work on this. I got back from Cpap. Okay, I'm going to the sleep doctor today, Dr. Berkey, and I'm sure that he's going to set me up a sleep study since it's been a while. The last time I had an appointment with him, it was snowing, and so they canceled appointments. Well, then I forgot all about it. 36 months later, the recall on my machine, I go, oh my gosh, I should have had a V8. But I don't know if it made a difference if I had gone to the sleep uh, doctor and in January if it had changed the outcome of the Cpac machine now. I'm going to have to do the same thing if I had gone to that appointment. I mean, but anyway, securing a Cpac machine is still my mission. I still hadn't died from mine. I'm still using it because I can't sleep without it. And I've got all the letters, I've got all the emails I've communicated with private people private companies that service these Cpac machines and other Cpac machines and technology of Philips. And so far I've gone back to Dr. Berkey, and that's who I'm going to see. And there's Miss Peggy this morning with that little bit. Oh, she's out and about this morning. It's rent week. I've got to get my rent up there for sure. But this morning, I probably will wait till the 1st. But anyway, where was I at? I can't remember where I was. Anyway, it's a pretty morning. I got a funny story. I think it's funny. It's just a story of life for me. I was talking to a girl the other day on CareLink as we were going into they picked me up in my wheelchair and take me up to the appointment. Well, we were talking about crocheting and stuff, and I said, I told her, I've been crocheting since I was 12 years old. I said, a friend of my mama's used to sit on the front swing with me, and certain times when she would come over to visit, she'd crochet, and she would try to teach me. Well, I was old funds, I must admit, and more of a tomboy than a crocheter, I thought. To myself, I always thought, I better be a boy, because they get to do everything. But anyway, that's enough of that. She taught me how to crochet. Now, all right, well, that was in, let's see, the early 50s. Well, by the 60s, I am crocheting, like flower children and stuff like that. No, let me stop.